Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use Brevent to boost your FPS and performance on your Android device, with no root required, of course. So, let's get to it then.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Friendly Shock RC is ready. Friendly Shock RC is coming. We lost the lead.